So it's day one of my hands-on course. Just got to the venue right now. Got all my stuff loaded up in my car. And I'm just gonna go check out the room and get it ready. I'm super excited. So I just finished up the course. It went really well, I think. It was really interactive, lots of practice for all the participants. So I feel like it's been really good so far, and I hope that I'll be able to use this experience to make my online courses even better, and to just meet some cool new friends. Anyway, we're gonna go get happy hour now. Alrighty guys, I am leaving Wine and Roses. We're gonna hop in the car and go to Lodi Beer Company. This guy, Devondra, I was warning these guys about Stockton. He booked his hotel at the Best Western, and he shows up. Wait, what happened?
So I show up, right, 11:30 at night. I got a reservation on my phone, and I show up, and the hotel is boarded up, fenced around the hotel. I don't know where I'm at right now. Some guy walks me in the middle of the night, you know, it's just a lone guy in the shadow, like a shadow guy. So walks up to my car, and I'm like, I think I have a reservation at this place. He's like, it's been closed for 6 months. I'm like, where the hell am I?
Gosh.
You know what I mean? I thought, honestly, I'm gonna die, you know, I'm gonna die here.
That's Stockton. Hashtag Stockton.
Yeah.
So we just finished our first day of our online course. We went out for drinks at Wine and Roses, no, not Wine and Roses, at Lodi Beer Company and at YBL. It's pretty nice actually. Got some cool feedback from the group. They actually really loved it. They felt like because I wasn't sponsored, it was a lot more legitimate. And so I'm really happy for that, because that's actually exactly what I was going for. I got my ghetto glasses on. Yeah, I really want to stay unsponsored, stay super, super honest and transparent, and I feel like that resonates really well, and they said that they can even feel that in the online course. So that's exactly what I'm going for. I definitely have no loyalty to any company, actually, just loyalty to people I'm teaching. But anyway, super excited about tomorrow, placing some implants. I'm going to go say hi to my, my beautiful little daughter and Teresa. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. See you later. All right, guys, no rest for the wicked. No time to even change my clothes, really. But ready to sink some implants and go over some live stuff. So I got the operatory all hooked up so I can do a live surgery and everybody can watch. And afterwards I'm going to do an overdenture pickup. I'll be doing it right in front of everybody so they can see my workflow. Wish me luck. So we just finished up, super fun. I had a great time with these guys. Definitely looking forward to the next course in Hawaii. I think secretly, I just want a reason to be in Hawaii, just like chilling there, eating some spam musubis and drinking some Mai Tai. Those of you who came, had an awesome weekend hanging with you guys. I totally loved it. Looking forward to keeping in touch. And everyone else, thanks for watching. It's been a long weekend though, so it's time for me to get the hell out of here and go home and chill. Peace.